Grandma. I'm a-going. Here we go. Get back over there. Whoop. Turn her on.
Well, let's rest a while.
That's right.
She knows. Here.
Sorry.
Put her down. You gonna waltz with it?
See, you got her eyes turned around, looking out the side of it. Look funny.
Hayleigh.
It is, isn't it?
Good.
I think she's already a little bit big.
Jump. Hoppity hop. Hoppity hop. Hoppity hop. She won't do it unless we clap our hands and. That's right.
That's all your mom. Hayleigh, you.
Oh boy. Yep.
Shake your arms.
She knows.
Shake your arms. Put it down. Dance. Hit them up. Burning a lot of energy there. Shake your arms.
You won't be able to have another one.
She did it. She did it.
You.
Come
Come on.
Get it.
Shake your arms. Help me.
She knows I'm taking this camera.
Shake your arms.
Hey, boy, that's a big time. She
Yeah.
had
All done.
Better rest a little bit, Hayleigh.
Come here.
Better rest.